Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of True Renunciation of Action, Chapter 5, Shloka 8 and 9. I do nothing at all. Thus would the harmonized knower of truth think. Seeing, hearing, touching, smelling, eating, going, sleeping, breathing.
Chapter 5, Shloka 8. नैव किञ्चित् करोमीति युक्तो मन्येत तत्त्ववित् पश्यन् शृण्वन् स्पृशन् जिघ्रन् अश्नन् गच्छन् स्वपन् श्वसन्.
Speaking, letting go, seizing, opening and closing the eyes, convinced that the senses move among the sense objects.
Chapter 5, Shloka 9. Pralapan visrujan grihnan unmishan nimishannapi indriyan indriyarteshu vartanta idi dharayan.
Chapter 5, Shloka 8 and 9. After realization, the attitude of the yogi is explained in this shloka. He continues to do the activities which he did before, but without egoistic vanity. All the normal activities performed by the body, like seeing, hearing, touching, smelling, eating, going, sleeping, breathing, speaking, dropping, holding, winking, are listed in these two shlokas, and they go on as before, but the yogi sees them as sense organs moving amongst sense objects without the I-do mentality. These activities happen instinctively. The example of our condition in the deep sleep is that though the mind and intellect are dormant, the functions of the body like breathing, digestion, etc. go on even when we are not conscious of them. Similarly, the attitude of the yogi is that he is constantly aware that I do nothing at all. It is the duty of every seeker to develop this attitude by constantly remembering that I am not the actor, that the actions are of the various sheaths, and that I am only an observer of these. More in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.